Hey everyone, check out the FosPower 2000 mAh emergency weather radio and portable charger combo with a 4-pack of waterproof rain ponchos. This powerful radio features 3 ways to charge: a hand crank, solar panel, and AAA batteries, ensuring you stay powered in any emergency. Its 2000 mAh power bank can recharge your phone or small tablet when you need it most. The included rain ponchos are made from durable, tear-resistant PE material and keep you dry and warm by retaining 90% of your body heat. Each poncho is lightweight, windproof, waterproof, and sized to fit both adults and kids comfortably, even over backpacks. With reinforced seams and bright colors, these ponchos are perfect for safety and visibility during storms. Stay prepared and protected with this versatile emergency kit for any weather situation. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.